From champagne showers in Dubai one week and high court papers the next, South African golden girl Boitie Thulo is facing apparently major legal showdown that could literally see her 4.2 million Centurion home go under the hammer. Now what's on people's lips is the own your throne queen about to lose her palace? Hey fam, let's get into this. But before we do, Jub Jub is out here. I didn't know men were so conscious about their bodies as well. Jub Jub is out here going on the doctor's table. He has to tuck in here and there. He's talking about he's been battling with losing his belly fat for the longest of time. He did everything under his humanly power to try and lose his belly fat, but it's not going anywhere. So now he's calling in the big guns. The next time we see him, maybe he'll be with a six-pack or something like that. But one thing for sure, he won't be with a belly.
What's up? Your boy Shukramasi Tamanegi. Hey, my friends. I think it's been a couple of years now. Let the up and down, left and right. So I decided to hit up the best in Africa, Southern Hemisphere. While I'm waiting for them.
Now back to Boitie Thulo. According to exclusive reports by the Daily Sun, Limac Financial Services is officially dragging Boitie to the Johannesburg High Court. The issue being an alleged unpaid balance on her stunning Tshwane property. Now we all remember back in 2022 when news broke that Boitie Thulo had secured this massive 4.2 million crib, but now court papers filed by Limac's Mark Luth suggest that the trim home is turning into a legal nightmare for her. Here's where it gets interesting. Boitie hasn't exactly been defaulting in the traditional sense, right? Documents show that she has already paid over 3.7 million towards the house. But Limac claims there's a stubborn outstanding balance of 491,813 that is outstanding that she hasn't paid. And that's nearly R500,000 that's still on the table. Now Loth, whatever his name is claiming that his lawyer sent several letters to the rapper and reality star. But get this, he's saying that she's been ignoring all correspondence. Talk about a return to sender situation. This is not just a slap in the wrist, as Limac has applied for a judgment against her, and if granted, this could lead to an execution order, meaning the sheriff could literally attach and auction her home to settle the debt. The clock is ticking too to fight this. Boitie apparently had a 10-day window to file a notice of intention to defend. And if she misses the deadline, a default judgment could be granted and that auction sign might become a reality. And here's the kicker. Apparently this Mark L. whatever hinted to the press that there's actually more to this dispute than just a 4.2 million bond. But he's keeping his cards very close to his chest for now. And I'm busy out here asking myself what else could be hiding in those court files. I just hope she's able to get through this, be able to pay that balance so she can keep her home, you know.
If you were giving me like at least 450K a month, we would be like, I wouldn't bother you.
Moving over to Jub Jub, y'all, this man is serious about this. This man is serious about getting in shape, whatever it takes. Do take a look at the upcoming clip. Share your thoughts in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
That's my baby. You're cutting my baby out.
Second thread out.
Okay. Yeah, I look 6 months pregnant. Eh? Or 5 months. Some kulubut. Eh? Come bed. Eh? It's bad, eh? Is it?
Perfect.
Okay, thank you.
We finished the marketing just now.